Dear viewers, welcome to my channel. I am Rubyat with you, and today I am going to show you how to solve MySQL shutdown unexpectedly on Xampp. Go to Xampp control panel and start Apache. After that you can see Apache is successfully running. Then click Start MySQL button to start MySQL. You can see MySQL is not running. You can see here error display MySQL shutdown unexpected. This may be due to blocked port, missing dependencies. Now go to MySQL log option, click log button, go to MySQL error.log option, scroll, you can see MySQL.log window, go to bottom, and here you can see feedback is disabled. After that you can close this window and you can also stop Apache and you can minimize this window if you want. Go to this PC, go to C drive, go to Xampp folder, now open MySQL folder, now open backup folder and copy all the files. Go to MySQL folder again, open data folder, after that you can paste all the files here. If you can see this window, please click replace the files in the destination. Now you can close this window and go to Xampp control panel again, start Apache. You can see the Apache is successfully running. After that you can start MySQL. You can see the result. MySQL server is running successfully. You can see the result also in the browser. You can write localhost and press enter. Go to phpMyAdmin and here you can see the database is running now. Thanks for watching.